because what we are trying to do here is cleanse these ancestors so that they can go back to the source, God. So whatever you do, it mustn't be something that's going to cancel whatever it is that you have done with the hope of cleansing your ancestors. The methods that we use sometimes, they clash with the journey of the soul. Also, the background and the information that we have, it hinders us from seeing a bigger picture, because there is more to spirituality than just these ancestors who come back and mess up our lives. There is another bigger picture of a soul itself. There is also a soul collective, and then there is the main super soul, where we all have to go back there. That is God. So if you have problems with your ancestors and you are trying to sort them out, when we say set your spirit free, we mean that cleanse them off and channel them so that they can go back to the source successfully. Because once you are still living here, you are a physical being. You have a body. You also have your own purpose. You also have your own soul and the journey that you need to fulfill. That is your purpose.